pretty because you don't install anything.
Oh, it's a big box, that's why.
Box. Oh my God! Don't tell me. Is that a package? Oh, kind of ruined the surprise, but here they are. Because it fell.
Because they had it upside down.
And it came with whatever instruction this is. And more instructions.
Wow.
And then it came with, I don't know what's in this box. I think this is part of, hello. So I'm not sure what this is, but it's cool.
It's a cute
It's that
decoration.
thing. And then this is the wires to charge it. And then it came with, oh my God, these are all, oh well, you're gonna stay there. The pad. So when you're done wearing it and you need to charge it, you just put the shoes like that and it will light up. It's charged.
Yay.
So it lights up. So there's an app for it where you can like tighten it, loosen it.
Ooh.
So, yep, it's pretty cool. So I need to call them. Looks like nothing is stolen, but the box is kind of a little bit ruined. But yeah, Air Max Adapt. It's pretty cool. Yay!
And cut.
And I just noticed that, just like Back to the Future, once you put it on, and it recognizes that you have it on, it tightens it up by itself. That is pretty awesome.
Have fans.
And it seems like it's heavy when you lift it, but once you put it on, it's very light and very comfy. Wow. All right, so take it off. I don't know. Guess you do the minus, negative sign. It loosens it up. And then the same thing. Negative is this one. So it's that sound. Now it's good to go. All right. Pretty cool. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear it or not, but let's see.
Just imagine if I was
It's
able
too
to get it too, right?
It's too expensive to buy two. But
And cut.